Yang kameranya masih dimatikan dinyalakan ya, Mas Ryan, Mbak Ara. Oke, good. Nah, sip. Okay, so before we start our lesson today, let's pray together. Who want to be the leader for the prayer? Siapa yang mau pimpin doa? Siapa mau pimpin doa? Mau nunjuk atau mau ditunjuk? Ayo angkat tangan. Siapa mau pimpin doa? Mbak Ratu ya. Nggak apa-apa Mbak Ratu, ayo pimpin doanya. Sudah kelas 3 itu harus sudah berani dong. Kasih contoh ke adik-adiknya. Oke? Ayo Mbak Ratu.
Istidadan. Sudah siap. Doaan.
A'udzu billahi minasyaitonir rajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin. Ar-Rahmanirrahim. Maliki yaumiddin. Iyyaka na'budu wa iyyaka nasta'in. Ihdinas siratal mustaqim. Alladzina an'amta 'alaihim ghairil maghdubi 'alaihim waladdallin. Amin. Raditu billahi rabban wa bil islami dinan wa bi Muhammadin nabiyya wa rasula. Rabbi zidni ilma warzuqni fahma. Amin ya rabbal alamin. Oke, hari ini kita belajar apa? Cambridge. Oke, good. Please show me your book. Show me your book, please. Yeah, English Cambridge. We have 2 books. Please show me your book. Oke, Mbak Syifa, good. Apa Mas Afid? Oke, good. Mas Farid, good. Mas Faris, good. Mas Fauzan, good. Mas Abid, good. Mas Akil, good. Mas Ryan, good. Yang lain? Mas Azam, where is your book? Mas Azam, Mas Alfi, good. Mbak Ara, where is your book? Oke, Mas Azam, good. Mbak Ara, good. Mbak Syifa, where is your book? Mbak Gania, where is your book? Oh iya, Mbak Syifa sudah tadi ya. Oh iya, oke, Mbak Syifa, good. Mbak Ratu. Oke, good. Loh, ini ada Mbak Zalfa. Mbak Zalfa, please open your camera, please. Oke, berarti sudah siap semua ya. Nah, Miss Ayuni want to remind you yang belum mengumpulkan review di chapter 5 bisa dikumpulkan ya. Because it will be your daily test score. Oke? Yang belum. Kalau yang sudah ya sudah. Oke, Miss Ayuni mau share. Bentar. Nah, last week, minggu lalu kita bahas buku ceritanya. Kita bahas cerita kan cuma sedikit ya. Ya. Nah, today Miss Ayuni will play the book. Dari awal sampai akhir. Sebentar. You can open your reader book. Buku yang Buana. It is on 28 and 29. Nah, you can open your book pages 28 and 29. Pages 28 and
28.
yes. As usual, you can read this story from your book and Miss Ayuni will play the audio. Okay? So, before Miss Ayuni play the audio, you have to turn off your microphone. Supaya suaranya nggak tumpuk-tumpuk. Nah, yang belum dimatikan. Mas Azam, you can turn off your microphone. Miss Ayun cek. Oke, Mas Altaf juga good. Mas Altaf, dibuka aja kameranya ya. Biar kelihatan semua ya, oke. Kita latihan reading and listening.
Chapter 6. Reader's Story.
Kedengeran suaranya? Oke.
Goanna and the Moon. Bindi and her grandpa are next to the lake. I like looking at the stars, says Bindi. They're very bright. Yes, they are bright, says Grandpa. And the moon is even brighter. How did the moon get there, Grandpa?
Tuh, mati. Sebentar. Mati suaranya.
They are bright, says Grandpa. And the moon is even brighter. How did the moon get there, Grandpa? Grandpa wrapped a blanket around Bindi to keep her warm. Are you warm now? Yes, Grandpa, much warmer. Then I will tell you a story, says Grandpa. A story from the Dreamtime.
Oh, mati lagi. Sebentar.
Grandpa, much warmer. Then I will tell you a story, says Grandpa. A story from the Dreamtime. Once upon a time, there was a lizard named Goanna. Every day, Goanna's big belly was getting bigger because soon she would lay her egg. She needed to find a warm place for it because it was chilly at night, like it is now. Goanna saw a volcano. Maybe she could lay her egg inside. It looked warm. She climbed up. But it will be too hot in the volcano, says Bindi. That's right. As she climbed, it got hotter and hotter, says Grandpa.
Oke, jadi ceritanya di halaman 2829 ini ada seekor goanna itu apa? Ada yang tahu nggak goanna? What is goanna?
Lizard.
Yes, goanna is like lizard.
Lizard.
Yes, good. Goanna is like lizard. Jadi, goanna ini ceritanya lagi hamil. Di perutnya itu ada telurnya dan semakin hari itu semakin membesar. Dia bingung mau bertelur di mana. Akhirnya dia naik ke gunung. Tapi ternyata di gunung ini semakin goananya naik itu semakin panas. Nah, selanjutnya gimana? Open the next page, page 30 and 31. Dibuka halaman selanjutnya.
Sudah.
So Goanna set off for the ocean. The ocean was very wet. I can't lay my egg here, thought Goanna. It will get damp. That night, Goanna set off across the desert. The desert is freezing at night, but she was looking for a place that was warm. It's colder here, thought Goanna. My egg will freeze. Up ahead, Goanna saw a mountain. It's far away, she thought. But as she got closer, the mountain looked smaller. It was not a mountain at all. It was an anthill. A lot of bright little ants were crawling over the hill. It was warmer here on the anthill. I think I can see the ants now, Grandpa. Maybe you can, says Grandpa. This place is perfect, thought Goanna. She dug a deep nest in the anthill. It was warm inside. She dug deeper and deeper, and in the deepest part of her nest, she laid a beautiful, big, round, white egg.
Oke, di halaman ini minggu lalu kan sudah dibahas. Jadi goanna ini setelah dari gunung karena terlalu panas, nggak jadi bertelur di sana. Dia lari ke ocean, ke lautan. Ternyata di lautan tuh banyak airnya, dia nggak mungkin ke sana bertelur di laut. Dia lari lagi ke desert. Do you know what is desert? Desert itu apa? Ayo.
Berpasir.
Gurun, betul, gurun pasir. Good. Dia lari ke gurun. Ternyata di gurun itu kalau malam dingin banget. Terus sampai akhirnya dia melihat gunung, lihat gunung. Dari jauh kelihatan seperti gunung, tapi kalau dia dekat ternyata bukan gunung, tapi bukitnya semut. Nah, dia ke sana, dia gali dalam-dalam, lalu bisa ditaruh di situ telurnya di dalamnya bukit. Okay, next. Open the next page. This is the last page of this story.
I think I know what the egg is, Grandpa. I think you do, Bindi, says Grandpa. The bright little ants crawled around the egg. Good, thought Goanna. My baby will have a lot of ants to eat when he hatches out.
Nah, setelah di mana di rumahnya semut ini tadi, ibu goananya tenang karena anaknya goana ini tadi kalau sudah menetas langsung punya makanan banyak. Makanannya ya semut ini tadi. Oke, after read the story, you can open the student book. Kita pindah ke student book. You can open chapter 6, lesson 4, page 62.
Ini Rami, yang ini.
Yes, the big one. Buku yang besar. Mas Altaf, you can open your camera. Dibiasakan ya, kalau Zoom itu kameranya harus dibuka. Ya betul, Pak.
Halaman berapa, Miss? Saya lupa.
Apa?
Halaman berapa?
Halaman berapa? Dilihat halaman berapa, teman-teman? Halaman berapa ini? Loh, halaman berapa ini?
62.
Oke, 62, Mas Abid. 62. Mas Alta, where is your face? Mas Fauzan juga mukanya nggak kelihatan lah. Loh. Oke. Sudah dibuka semua?
Sudah.
Oke, dibiasakan kalau ketemu sama latihan soal itu dibaca dulu instruksinya. Oke, dibaca instruksinya. Yang pertama, read the story in your reader. Sudah dilakukan ya? Kita disuruh baca ceritanya yang sudah selesai. Oke, the second activity, match the phrases to make sentences. Nah, jadi di sini kita harus mencocokkan dua kalimat ini. Oke, Miss Ayuni will help you to do this activity. Nomor 1 kan sudah dikerjakan. Bindi and her dan Pa are next to the lake. Ada di sebelahnya danau. Oke, yang kedua sekarang kira-kira jawabannya apa ya? Goanna mau apa?
Lay her egg.
Oke, good.
To lay her egg.
To lay her egg. Oke. Next, number 3.
Too hot.
Oke, too hot. Number 4. The dessert.
It's very cold at night.
is very cold at night. Bindi knows. Bindi knows
What the egg is?
what the egg is.
See.
C, yes. Number 6. Goana is happy at the end. Terakhir ya. Let's check together. Cek. Nah, benar semua ya. Oke. Bisa dikerjakan di bukunya. Kelihatan semua kan, Mas Azam? Kelihatan tulisannya? Kelihatan, Mas Azam? Kelihatan, oke. Ditulis dulu. Sudah bisa ditutup? Ditutup ya?
Belum.
Oh, belum, oke. Mas Alta, dibuka dong kameranya, jangan dimatikan. Kenapa kok dimatikan terus? Sudah selesai? Bisa ditutup? Can I close this page? Sudah bisa ditutup?
Bisa.
Sudah. Oke, sudah Mas Ryan? Kan udah selesai. Oh, dua teman tuh. Dua teman. Oke, kalau sudah ditutup ya. Oke, next. Let's go to the third exercise. Choose another place for Guana to try to lay her egg. Describe it.
Ini.
Jadi di sini kita disuruh memilih tempat buat Guana bertelur. Nah, jadi di sini kita disuruh milih tempat di mana pas buat Guana bertelur. Saya ini will help you.
Bukitnya semut.
Cima, iya, good. Goana went to ants hill. Kelihatan tulisannya?
Kelihatan.
Oke, Goana went to ants hill, bukitnya semut. It was, kenapa kok dia pergi ke semut? It was, karena apa? Kenapa kok Goana pergi ke semut?
It's because Guana want to lay her egg.
Iya, kenapa kok bertelurnya di rumahnya semut?
Karena di tempat lainnya. Karena kalau telurnya menetas, ada makanannya.
Oke, good.
Karena di luar dingin.
Karena hangat, bukan dingin. It was warm. And the Goana's baby will have a lot of ants to eat when he hatches out. Nah, kenapa kok dia pergi ke bukitnya semut? Karena di sana hangat. Dan bayinya Goana bisa makan semut banyak ketika sudah menetas. Oke, you can write this answer in your book. Kalau sudah bilang ya. Okay, have you finished all? Sudah selesai semua?
Ya,
Belum?
not yet.
Yang Ensil sudah apa belum? Yang Ensil sudah? Yang Ensil sudah ya? Ensil sudah ya?
Finish.
Oke, dihapus ya. Oke, good. Nah, sip. Nanti kalau ada yang ketinggalan bisa diputar lagi linknya. Nanti di-share sama Miss Ayu nih. Seka. Oke, next. Open the next page. Page 63. Lesson 5. Listen and number, then sing. So, this is a song. As usual, you have to give the number in the small box based on the picture. Okay? Salah. Okay, Miss Ayuni will play this song. You can listen this song and write the number based on the picture.
Chapter 6. Lesson 5. Activity 1. Our world weather.
Out in the desert, it's warm and bright, but later on it gets chilly at night. Up in the mountains, it's freezing today. It's stormy and icy, just stay away. Down in the lake, it's foggy, they say, and very damp. It's not a nice day.
Oke, kita translate bareng-bareng yuk. Kata-kata merah, kata yang berwarna merah di sini ada warm. Warm itu artinya apa? Warm. Hangat. Ya, pinter. Kalau bright? Cerah. Kalau chilly, what is chilly? Kalau nggak tahu artinya bisa ditulis ya.
Dingin.
Ya betul, chilly is dingin. Chilly is dingin. Nah, ini menggambarkan desert. Desert is number 3. Yang kedua, up in the mountains, it's freezing. What is freezing? Dingin sekali sampai membeku. And it's stormy. Stormy, what is stormy? Hari ini lagi ada badai. It's stormy and icy. Kalau icy? Icy sama ya kayak chilly, dingin juga. Jadi nomor berapa ini? Nomor berapa? Open your microphone to answer my question.
One.
Oke, number 1. Ya, betul. Nomor 1 ini ya. Okay, next, down in the lake, it's foggy. Foggy, what is foggy? Foggy itu berkabut. Foggy itu berkabut ya. Ya, nomor 2 benar, number 2. And very damp. Damp itu basah, sama kayak wet. Oke. Nah, sekarang yang ini. Selanjutnya, complete the sentences. Use these words. Nah, Miss Ayuni will give you time to do this task. Jadi kalian harus mengisi titik-titik ini sesuai dengan kata yang ada di kotak kecil ini loh. Ada foggy, freezing, icy. Contohnya sudah di nomor 1 ya. Warm. Oke? Butuh berapa menit buat ngerjakan ini? 1 menit cukup ya?
Miss, diurutkan apa tidak?
Tidak diurutkan ini. Oke, udah mulai ngerjakan ya? Kalau sudah kita bahas bareng-bareng. Sudah selesai? Sudah selesai, Mas Abid? Sudah selesai?
Belum, not yet.
Disuruh sabar. Oke, ditunggu. Aja sih. Oke, sudah selesai? Mas Farid sudah selesai? Mas Farid sudah selesai?
Miss, I'm finished.
Oke, good. Mas Akil sudah selesai? Mbak Ara, Mbak Ratu, Mas Fauzan, Mas Adam? Belum?
Yes, I'm finished.
Oke. Mas Ryan, Mas Albi, Mbak Gania sudah? Mas Zalfa?
I'm finished.
Oke. Answer together kita. Oke, kita cek bareng-bareng ya. Number one sudah. Number 2, I can see it's very. What is the answer of number 2? Nomor 2 jawabannya apa? Loh, kok pada jawab? Nomor 2 jawabannya apa? Yang keras, yang keras. Nah, gitu dong, jangan ragu-ragu. Oh. Ya, number 2 is foggy. Sebentar, nggak bisa diklik-klik ini. Oke, number 2 is foggy. Number 3 loh, kok sudah muncul aja jawabannya ini. Number 3, it's very icy outside, don't fall. Number 3, icy ya. Freezing. Oke, number 4, it's freezing, put on sweater. Pakai sweaternya. Oke, sudah selesai semua? Coba dilihat yang exercise 5. Yang ini loh, exercise 5. How many can you find on the page er or er? Ada berapa banyak kata yang akhirannya er yang ada di halaman ini? Coba dihitung. Ada berapa banyak dan apa aja? Ada berapa? Sudah ketemu ada berapa? Tuh, oke, ada yang jawab tuh. Terus ada berapa lagi? Ada yang jawab 3. Berapa lagi? Ada yang 2. Ada berapa lagi? Ada yang jawab 2 sama 3 ya. Nah, kita cek bareng-bareng. Ada berapa kata ya yang belakangnya ER dan IER? Nah, ada 5. There are 5 words. Ada 5 kata. Bisa ditulis 5 di sini ya. 5 itu apa aja? 5 itu apa aja? 5 itu ada warmer. Warmer ini artinya lebih hangat. Ada lagi brighter. Brighter is lebih terang. Ada lagi hotter. Hotter itu apa artinya? Dari kata hot.
Lebih panas.
Betul, pinter banget. Kelas 3 SMP. Yang kelima ada apa lagi nih? Chillier.
Lebih dingin.
Oke,
Lebih
good.
dingin.
Dan yang keenam ada icier. Nah, so there are 5 words. Jadi masih ingat ya, semua kata yang kata ini, kata yang akhirannya ER atau IER itu artinya lebih hangat, lebih panas, lebih dingin. Oke, sampai sini bisa dipahami semua ya?
Bisa.
Oke, kalau bisa semuanya coba.
Ah.
Before we close our class, you have to read the 4th exercise. Jadi sebelum kita tutup nanti Zoom-nya, kalian satu-satu harus baca ini. Harus baca ini. Yang di exercise 4. Gimana cara bacanya? Kita dengerin dulu.
Chapter 6, Lesson 5, Activity 4.
It's warmer and brighter in the day, but it's chillier and icier at night.
Oke, bisa dipahami ya? Satu-satu nanti baca yang di activity 4. Oke, so let's close our class. Loh, ini sudah ada yang keluar dulu ini sebelum selesai nih ya. Nanti nggak diambil nilainya ini. Oke, before we close our class today, let's pray together. Doa kafaratul majlis. Subhanakallahumma wa bihamdika asyhadu an la ilaha illa anta astaghfiruka wa atubu ilaik. Oke, siapa yang mau baca duluan? Please raise hand from Zoom. Angkat tangannya duluan dari Zoom. Oke, Mas Fauzan. Yang keras, yang keuras. Sebentar Mas Fauzan. Di-mute dulu semuanya biar nggak tumpuk-tumpuk suaranya. Oke, Mas Fauzan, you can turn on your microphone.
Brighter in the day, but it's chillier and icier at night.
Oke, good job. Thank you, Mas Fauzan. You can leave the Zoom. Selanjutnya, Mbak Syifa.
It's warmer and brighter in the day, but it's chillier and icier at night.
Icier. Oke, good job, Mbak Syifa. Thank you. You can leave the Zoom. Next, Mas Abid.
Yang mana, Miss?
Yang mana, Miss? Yang mana, teman-teman? Bantu jawab. Bantu jawab dong, yang mana? Yang keempat, Mas Abid. Yang keempat. Dibaca, yang baca aja itu loh. It's warmer and brighter itu loh.
It's warmer. It's brighter.
It's warmer and brighter. Iya, yang keempat. Halaman 63, 63.
It's warmer and brighter in the day, but it's chillier and icier at night.
Oh, icier at night. Oke, thank you Mas Abid. You can leave the Zoom. Mbak Ratu.
Makasih, Miss.
Yes, thank you for coming.
It's warmer and brighter in the day, but it's chillier and icier at night.
Oke, good job Mbak Ratu. Thank you for coming. You can leave the Zoom, Mas Faris.
It's warmer and brighter in the day, but it's chillier and icier at night.
Icier. Oke, good job Mas Faris. Thank you for coming. You can leave the Zoom. Mas Farid.
It's warmer and brighter in the day, but it's chillier and icier at night.
Oke, good job Mas Farid. You can leave the Zoom. Thank you for coming, Mas Ryan.
It's warmer and brighter in the day, but it's chillier and icier at night.
Icier, chillier. Oke, kalau bahasa Inggris R-nya jangan tebel-tebel ya. It's warmer, jangan it's warmer. Oke, good job Mas Ryan. Thank you for coming. See you. Next, Mas Alpi.
It's warmer and brighter in the day, but it's chillier and icier at night.
Oke, good job Mas Alpi. Thank you for coming. Next, Mas Azam.
It's warmer and brighter in the day, but it's chillier and icier.
Oke, good job Mas Azam. Thank you for coming. You can leave the Zoom, Mbak Ara.
Out in the desert, it's warm and bright, but later on, it gets chilly at night.
Oke, good job Mbak Ara. Thank you for coming. You can leave the Zoom, Mas Akil.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Loh, di open your microphone, dibuka dulu mikrofonnya.
Almost and winter in the day.
Sudah? Oke, thank you Mas Akil. Thank you ya Mas Akil. Banyak-banyak membaca lagi. Oke. Mbak Gania sama Mbak Zalfa bareng-bareng.
Terima kasih. Sama siapa?
1, 2, 3. Bareng-bareng.
It's warmer and brighter in the day, but it's chillier and icier at night.
Oke, good job. Thank you for coming today. See you. Assalamualaikum.
Waalaikumsalam. See you.